The supercharger, and if you have any doubt of getting a Tesla, at least get it for the sound. It's got an amazing sound system. But you know, it's got a bunch of stuff. Maybe the Falcon Wing doors. Yes, all Teslas come like this from the factory with the Falcon Wing doors on the Tesla Model X. What else? Got a bunch of questions, but superchargers, you got them nationwide. You got them all over the U.S. They got a pretty strong global infrastructure as far as Tesla superchargers go. But definitely, you can road trip in the U.S. from coast to coast, even in Canada and Mexico. You got plenty of charging options. You got Tesla destination chargers. They're going to be a bit slower at charging rates. You got some in the very far end over here. Yeah, right there. They're much smaller, and you got even more of those. Again, all over the U.S. Probably at every major hotel. Hence the destination charger. You get to your final destination, you plug, you charge, you are good to go. Yeah. So. Range 237 miles range on my 75D Tesla Model X 75D, but right now a brand new one's going for 325 miles range with the 100 kilowatt hour battery pack and the full range, if you get the full range unlocked. But yeah, shoot me some questions. I get a ton of questions all the time with all the people that get into my car, and it sparks a lot of interest. So yeah, later.